Hey guys, welcome back. Thought I'd come outside, it's a beautiful day outside, and do a tasting of the Krush Red IPA. So there it is there. Hopefully you can pick up the colour there on camera. So it is quite a rich, sort of almost like a ruby red colour. So I was a bit worried it was going to look more brown than red, but it definitely looks red from where I'm sitting. Hopefully that's coming through. So yeah, just poured up off the keg, holding on to a nice creamy, sort of come fluffy sort of head. And it's, yeah, it's fairly clear, even though it's quite a dark red. It seems to be fairly clear after a couple of weeks in the keg. So before we dive in, I'll just quickly recap what's gone on to the beer. So as the name suggests, it's Krush Red IPA. It's using Krush hops. They were released last year, 2024. They're also known as HBC 586 if you're looking to get any. So the malt bill is 84% Vienna malts, then 8% each of medium crystal and Shepherd's Delight. Shepherd's Delight's what's really given it that deep, rich, reddy colour. Used it a few times, and yeah, really good, really good malt to use for red beers. Gives it a nice richness as well. So yeah, the Krush I used 30 grams. So this is for a 10 litre batch. 30 grams at 12 minutes from the end of the boil. Another 40 for a 80-degree centigrade hop stand for 15 minutes, and then the last 30 grams went in as a dry hop. USO5 is the yeast I used. Finished at 1008, so it's close to 5%, fermented at 18 degrees. So yeah, happy days. So hope you guys are going well. Actually, I've come out of the sun a little bit just because I couldn't see anything on the camera, but yeah, as soon as you come out of the sun it's quite cold. We are still in winter here, so but yeah, the days this week have been really good, so making the most of it. So we'll dive in and get a nose on it. Well, it's got a nice, apart from the hops jumping off the nose, but I'm also getting a nice like woody sort of aroma, but that's mixed in with the hops and that Shepherd's Delight. I'm definitely getting some berry off the top, which is one of the characters of the Krush hops. Almost like some candied fruit. Smells really good. So I poured this up about 10 minutes ago just to give it a little bit of a chance to warm up. Probably hasn't warmed up too much, but cheers guys, we will dive in. It's really good. A lot more coming through on the flavour. A lot more from those Krush hops. So yeah, described as a mixed beer. I definitely get the berry coming through. Yeah, it's like I was going to say like a red currant. Even like slightly cherry. It does say it has a woody resin sort of character as well, which I was definitely picking up on the nose. And getting that through on the flavour. Yeah, the aroma's really good, almost like a slightly toasted note on the nose. It says peach, guava and mango or other characters of the hop. I think I'm getting there, but they're quite subtle, and probably the reason for that is because of the Shepherd's Delight. Apart from giving it that colour. Shepherd's Delight gives a really nice, rich malt flavour. Almost, to me, this is how I've described it. It's like a fruit cake. You know, there's Christmas fruit cake sort of flavors with the cherries and the other fruits in there. So I think the crush hops with their mixed berry, orange citrus as well, sort of complements that Shepherd's Delight malt really well. But having said that, I think the peach and the guava and the mango, which are probably more subtle flavors, are getting lost a little bit in the richer flavors of the Shepherd's Delight and the berry from the hops. But that's not a bad thing. Still tastes really, really good. Nice and juicy as well. I am tempted to brew again with the crush hops in a lighter style beer. I'd be quite keen just to see how they go in, say, a Pilsner even just so that you know, everything from the hop can shine through. But all in all, very impressed with those crush hops in this style of beer. I'd say they go really well in like a straight IPA or pale ale. Holding on to some nice lacing. The head's sort of sticking around, which is good. So what else can I tell you? I think the IBUs were about 40, so there is a nice hit of bitterness up the front. Carbonation is good, so I've got it sitting at about 12 psi in the keg. Quite a dry back end. I'd say that's probably down to the low attenuation, what I say, 1008. The Shepherd's Delight, I think, has a sort of a dry edge to it as well, but very nice. Yeah, happy days. Yeah, very happy with that hop. Like I say, I would like to rebrew another beer with it, so possibly even the next one. I have to sort of start thinking about another beer shortly, so may do it in a light style Pilsner. But apart from that, very nice. Oh, there's a nice touch of little bit of sweetness just to balance out the dryness, and that's probably come from the Vienna, so 84% Vienna. Vienna's got a nice natural slight sweetness to it, so I think that's sort of countered the dryness a little bit. But yeah, the aroma's fantastic. If you're looking for something new to try, see if you can track them down. I don't think you'd be disappointed. Okay guys, that's me sort of enough of me prattling on. Have a good weekend, enjoy good beers. Thank you for watching, appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed before, please subscribe. Any comments on the beer, appreciate that, and I'll get back to you. Other than that, we will catch you in the next video. Over and out. Thanks guys, cheers.